No.31. Determination is a great ingredient portrayed by most people in the society today. Using Nicole in John Lara's The Samaritan, write an essay in support this statement. In many societies, determination plays an important role in ensuring success and survival for present and future generations. This is not different from the way some of the characters in The Samaritan have brought out this theme. Nicole is determined to ensure that the mayor cannot make her chicken out by stopping the Samaritan app. She assures the students to continue with the app and says, "Sometimes it is good to stand out. For a better tomorrow for all of us." Nicole tells the students that they should stand firm with the app and they should demand that the leaders do the right instead of being afraid and be discouraged. Han, Ramde, Honorable Seymour, and Honorable Ted are determined to remove the Mayor Mossy from power by mobilizing the entire municipal council to pass the vote of no confidence motion against him. The whole team goes ahead and talks to their rival's opposition chief, Han Bastio, to join them. Nicole is determined to fight for the welfare of Maracas. She questions Noreen if she prefers that they resign to slavery and if they would let the plunder of public resources continue unchallenged. Her determination to fight corruption, bad governance, and other vices makes her to turn down the offer she is granted by the mayor to be Director General in the Maracas municipality. She cautions them that the necessary transformation is the change of heart, spirit, not new offices and positions. Bambi is determined to see Nicole rot in jail. Bambi has a plan to accuse Nicole of theft of school furniture, a computer, or a generator. He plans to get people to steal the school generator and accuse Nicole of the crime, then ask the judge to put her in. True to his word, Bambi goes to Sagrada Secondary School to arrest Nicole, citing a wide range of accusations including disobeying authorities, being located at the scene of a murder, and stealing the school generator. The Inspector General of Police, Bambi, tries to unnerve her by arresting her on trumped-up charges. Nicole is not intimidated. She knows that her obligation is to do what is right, not to obey leaders blindly. Nicole is determined to do the right thing. A leader cannot compel her to do the wrong things. Her choice to do the right thing is not negotiable. Even in the face of an impending jail term, she is not subdued by Bambi's preposterous fabricated charges. She tells him that it will get him nowhere and that will be the darkest day of his career. Bambi orders the police to handcuff Nicole, and the strong-willed teacher resists until she is overpowered. Bambi is only but trying to intimidate Nicole to stop pursuing the activities of the Samaritan app, claiming it poses grave danger to society. Nicole replies that she is but a simple teacher trying to do what is right. When she is arraigned in court, thousands of protesters from all walks of life mob the court precincts in solidarity with Nicole, leaving Bambi with an egg on his face. Lastly, the leaders of Maracas municipality are determined to appease Nicole by playing power politics and offering her a high office in the municipality, but she declines the offer, standing her ground until the felonious leaders are arrested. The 8 leaders meet at the chamber of the principal judge with the aim of saving their skins from the Samaritan. They have assembled to figure out a way to escape being thrown behind bars at Bainta Express prison. Bastio suggests that they talk to Nicole. Mossy warns him that she is very firm. He tried appealing to her mercy, she couldn't budge. He tried intimidation and still she couldn't yield. Bastio suggests that they give her a powerful position at the municipal council. They plan to let her tell them the position she wants. Bastio suggests that they talk to Nicole. Mossy warns him that she is very firm. He tried appealing to her mercy, she couldn't budge. He tried intimidation and still she couldn't yield. Bastio suggests that they give her a powerful position at the municipal council. They plan to let her tell them the position she wants and she becomes part and parcel of the municipal leadership. Jaden suggests that they bring her a box of chocolate as an incentive, but Mossy cautions him that she won't take it. When they meet Nicole, they all grovel. Jaden seeks for forgiveness for intruding into Nicole's busy schedule. Bambi apologizes profusely for arresting Nicole. Mossy also apologizes for treading on her toes. The leaders admit serious mistakes in the leadership that have brought the municipality to a crisis. They request Nicole's contribution in enhancing service delivery to the people and she accepts. They ask her to name the senior position she would like to occupy. Jaden proposes that she should assume the role of Director General. Nicole declines the offer, telling the gentlemen that they don't need new laws, contracts, or positions but a change of spirit among the people and especially among the leaders. Their determination does not bear fruits. 50. In conclusion, many characters in the Samaritan, such as Nicole, Bambi, Han, Ramday, Han, Seymour and Honorable Ted are determined to achieve what they want in life, as we have discussed.